Check in. Check in. Please check in at the counter to receive your boarding pass and drop off your luggage. Board. Board.
Enter the aircraft.
Passengers are now invited to board the plane. Take off. Take off.
Leave the ground and begin the flight.
The plane is ready to take off. Land. Land.
Touch the ground after a flight.
We are about to land at our destination. Get off. Get off.
Leave the aircraft.
Please wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off before getting off the plane. Go through security. Go through security.
Pass through the security checkpoint.
Passengers must go through security before entering the departure area. Hold on. Hold on.
Wait.
Can you please hold on for a moment while I check your reservation?
Take off. Take off.
Remove clothing or items.
Passengers are required to take off their shoes and belts before going through the security scanner. Pick up. Pick up.
Collect someone.
I'll pick you up from the airport at 8 p.m. Drop off. Drop off.
Leave someone at a location.
My friend dropped me off at the airport before heading to work. Hold up. Hold up.
Cause a delay.
The flight is being held up due to technical issues. Run out of. Run out of.
Exhaust the supply of something.
The airline ran out of snacks during the long flight.
Taxi. Taxi.
Move on the ground before takeoff.
The plane is taxiing to the runway for departure. Touchdown. Touchdown.
Make contact with the ground during landing.
The pilot executed a smooth touchdown despite the windy conditions. Check out. Check out.
Complete the checkout process at a hotel.
Passengers are reminded to check out of their hotel before heading to the airport. Get on. Get on.
Enter the aircraft.
Passengers with disabilities will have assistance getting on the plane. Fill out. Fill out.
Complete a form with information.
Please fill out the customs declaration form before reaching the immigration counter. Hold off. Hold off.
Delay or postpone.
The airline decided to hold off on introducing new routes until next year. Break down. Break down.
Stop working.
The escalator broke down, causing delays in reaching the departure gates. Back up. Back up.
Move backward.
Please back up and make room for other passengers to pass through the security checkpoint. Look out for. Look out for.
Be aware and search for.
Passengers should look out for the gate number on the departure screens. Stand by. Stand by.
Wait for a possible opening.
If your flight is full, you can request a standby for an available seat. Set off. Set off.
Start a journey.
We need to set off early to avoid traffic on the way to the airport. hold onto, hold onto.
Keep or grasp.
Please hold onto your boarding pass until you reach your destination. Pull over, pull over.
Stop by the side of the road.
The shuttle bus will pull over at each terminal for passengers to embark and disembark. Check through, check through.
Examine or pass through a checkpoint.
Passengers are allowed to check through one piece of carry-on luggage. Wrap up, wrap up.
Complete or finish.
Let's wrap up the security check quickly. The flight is about to board. Bring along, bring along.
Take with you.
Don't forget to bring along your passport and travel documents. Get through, get through.
Successfully make contact with.
I couldn't get through to the airline's customer service line. It was busy. Clear customs, clear customs.
Go through the customs inspection process.
Passengers must clear customs before leaving the airport.
Thanks for learning with us today. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you next time.